Anya is going for a walk with her friends. She lets her hair be loose. She needs makeup. In order to underline her eyes, she takes brighter eyeshadows. Interesting choice. Apply green eyeshadow on the eyelid. Oh no, the eyeshadow crumbled on the cheek. Take it out quickly. No, not with your hands. It's good that Mom brought napkins to the room. Seems like it's clean now. Now Anya will definitely be more careful. Oh no, the eyeshadow crumbles from the brush again. Before it gets smeared, I need to remove it. Dry napkins are not that good for it. Continue to do makeup, but as bad luck would have it. And the napkins. Oh no. Yes, Anya, they are not unlimited. Oh, there should be something. Look inside your makeup case, as girls can get many surprises there. That's it! A daily pad is the right thing. Fold it in half and cut out this shape with usual scissors. Cool, just what I need. Now take off the protection layer and stick it right under the eyes. This way it's better. Now when you apply eyeshadow, it will crumble on the protection patches and not on your cheeks. It's comfortable even when you apply mascara on the eyelashes. So wonderful, the makeup is ready! Now remove the patches. And not a single mark on your cheeks or face. It's all clean. Such a cool life hack for quick makeup of the eyes. The holidays are about to come and it's time to start decorating the room with garlands. Anya simply adores New Year time. Oh, someone sent a message. Sasha is asking me out. Oh no, in 5 minutes! I'm not ready! And even without a hairdo! Oh my god, who made these tails? And now should I comb them? Now my hair is totally unruly and a real mess on my head. And what about? I got an idea. There are glitter shimmer tubes in my backpack. I wish I could decorate my hair with them. Exactly! Sprinkle shimmer in any bowl that you have. I start with blue ones. And pour hair gel into it. I took the strongest fixation, just in case. And do the same with other colors too. The texture should resemble that of a slime. Pat hair in the middle, a bit on the side. Now fix hair with invisible hairpins so that it wouldn't stick out. Now plunge a brush into the gel and cover the hair starting from the parting. Now yellow color. And then pink. And it's a bright glittery hairdo. It resembles a shaven temple. It shines from this part, and the other part is your silky hair. So take this cool idea to experiment with your new look. If they invited you to a poolside party, you would like to look amazing. Oh, it can't be true! My legs have already lost summer tan. And it's not cool to look as pale as ghost. What to do? Of course, toner with tan effect. Squeeze some of it on the palm. And rub into the legs. By the way, it's very nutritional and smells sweetly. My friends are already waiting and I'd better be on time. Oh, my palms! What is it? Oh no, has the Selftanner smeared my hands? How can I go with my palms like this? Oh, napkins! But they don't clean it. My hands are still dirty, so what should I do? Oh, I got a lemon and I cut it in 2 halves. Like citrus mood. I need only 1/2 of it. And a spoon of baking soda. It should be soaked with lemon juice. Now water hands and rub lemon into them. And the toner is easily removed now. And it doesn't make skin too dry. It takes only a minute to make your palms soft and pink again. And not a single mark of Selftanner left on them. Oh, I'm late! The party can't start without me. Yay! Finally Anya got a free morning. Now she can be relaxed today. No, I don't, Harris. Let me finish my makeup now. Oh, you call just to talk? I like it. Oh, these talks are definitely for a long time. And she often gets so distracted that her hands make random things. Yep, such a hilarious joke. Now she doesn't even realize that soon she won't laugh at all, as her lipsticks were new. But now they are spoiled. Oh gosh, what happened to them? Because of the sharp cover, it's only half of them that remains. But it's two halves here, so why not join them into one whole lipstick? If this thing happened to you, don't be sad. Just cut each lipstick evenly and join two halves together. Now you need a candle. Warm the lipstick from all sides. This way it joins into a whole thing. Let's try what does it look like. Wow, the dark half looks like a lip liner, and the lips are pink. Such an unbelievable effect in 2-in-1. I'll definitely recommend my friends to do the same. As usual, Annie washed her hair in the morning. What? It's not morning anymore? The movie starts in 5 minutes, and I need time to get ready. And the hair is not likely to get any drier. There was a packet somewhere here. Yep, just the right size. Put it right on the head. Looks so funny. Now make a medium hole in it and put the hair dryer right inside it. Wow, it gets so blown. The warm air makes hair dry really fast, and the hairdo is ready in a minute. I only need to comb it. And what about the dress? The yellow one fits perfectly well. I need special makeup for this look. Eyeshadow with shimmer glitters so well, and I need to take the palette with me. Oh, it can't fit into the bag, and it's always full of the most necessary things. Whew, seems like it won't get in. And I'm not going without my eyeshadow. If you can't put the palette into the bag, take a cotton stick and cover it with the eyeshadow. This way you make cotton sticks of any colors. You can take a box from Candice and put your eyeshadow sticks into it. This mini box will definitely be placed into your bag. If you come to the party first and dance without being shy, my favorite moment in this song. Oops, I rubbed my eye. It's good I took this Candice, or more precisely mini eyeshadow on the sticks. And it's so easy to refresh makeup with them. And everything is back to fine again. Now I can keep on dancing to music. Oh, seems like guest came, and I started without you. During cold weather, lips always become so weather-beaten. Sometimes even skills peels off. No, this way it won't work. Where is my lip balm here? It always gets lost when I need it most. Maybe it's somewhere on the bottom here. Doesn't look like anything but my lip balm. So maybe in the backpack? We haven't checked it out yet. I hope it's whole. Oh no, I can't use lipstick like this. I need to figure something out. Do you have a nice ring? And a round box for lip gloss. Cut out a piece of old lipstick into any bowl. Now warm it up and place it into the box. And it's a new lip gloss. Now rip out the unicorn from the ring and glue it to the box base with transparent glue. And decorate it with the unicorn up here. And the comfortable ring with a secret is ready. It looks so cool, and if you open it, then the lip gloss is right inside it. And it will perfectly protect your lips during any weather. Put a like and subscribe to our channel.